It's record-breaking hot, and a breeze of fresh air is well worth $12. But how do you choose and compare fans? Hi, my name is alexcrane, and I took the scientific route, using an anemometer, usually employed by sharpshooters and meteorologists, and a sound meter. The name speaks for itself. I was really curious if it was worth the extra few dollars to grab the Xiaomi sub-brand versus a more generic or less known brand. I tried a few super duper ghetto ones to something sold at a downtown store. Yup, Xiaomi is built better, blows better, and lasts longer. And now to the numbers. Battery life. Both fans in question had a similar 2000 mAh battery that takes around 3 hours for a full charge versus the two promised. But don't let the numbers fool you, they are not the same. Xiaomi has pretty remarkable endurance compared to the competition that lasted 4 hours and 20 minutes on the first speed and 2 hours on the last. The second speed results were inconsistent 3 times, so I did not include those. Wind speed, or how well does it blow? First speed looks pretty identical on both. Second, Xiaomi has a small lead, but it really shines on max speed. There's also a big difference how it feels on a stretched out hand. I guess they actually did some math with the 7 blades and accounted aerodynamics. Sound, or how loud does it go? Okay, that's the hardest one, especially since it's a logarithmic scale. The max speed is pretty loud, especially in a silent environment. But the first one is probably good enough for the claim that you could leave it with a sleeping child. The fact that every speed has a different sound signature doesn't help either. When inside, I usually only use the first speed, like when we played board games for 8 hours straight without air conditioning. And yes, you can hook it up to a power brick or a power bank. I only really use the max speed when on public transportation or outside. The issue is when there's real wind, this thing doesn't really help that much. Build quality is top notch. Xiaomi absolutely doesn't feel like cheap plastic. Personally, I do recommend this fan, and like 5 of my friends got one as I asked them to pose in my videos. Oh, soon I'll make a review of the home fan, or I guess you could probably use it a portable one. They do have options with a built-in battery. So if you're into tech videos, Xiaomi, or fans, subscribe and see you in the next one. Boom.